Your automatic transmission is one of the most expensive components in your entire vehicle. Replacing one can cost anywhere from $3,500 to well over $9,000. Yet every single day, millions of drivers unknowingly shorten its lifespan by making simple driving mistakes that seem completely harmless. In this video, we are uncovering 7 common mistakes that are secretly destroying your automatic transmission. Make sure you stay until the end, because the last mistake is one that nearly every automatic car owner does without even realizing it. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1. Shifting into drive or reverse before the car fully stops. One of the fastest ways to damage an automatic transmission is shifting directly from reverse to drive or drive to reverse while the vehicle is still rolling. Although modern transmissions are electronically controlled, but the internal clutch packs and planetary gear sets still need the vehicle to come to a complete stop before changing direction. When you shift while the wheels are still moving, those clutch packs are forced to instantly stop and reverse thousands of pounds of rotating mass. Transmission engineers estimate that this habit can multiply clutch wear several times compared to normal operation. Over time, the friction material begins wearing away, hydraulic pressure drops, shifts become harsh, and eventually the transmission starts slipping. Many drivers blame the manufacturer when their transmission fails around 120,000 miles, but years of rolling gear changes are often the real culprit. Simply wait 1 or 2 extra seconds until the vehicle completely stops. This habit can dramatically reduce internal wear and potentially add tens of thousands of miles to your transmission's lifespan. Mistake number 2. Accelerating hard before transmission fluid warms up. Most people know cold engine oil is not ideal, but very few realize that cold automatic transmission fluid can be just as harmful. At low temperatures, transmission fluid becomes significantly thicker that make it harder for the hydraulic pump to build proper pressure and circulate lubrication through valve bodies, bearings, clutch packs, and torque converters. Studies from lubrication engineers have shown that automatic transmission fluid may require 10 to 20 minutes of normal driving before reaching its ideal operating viscosity. During those first few minutes, flooring the accelerator creates maximum clutch pressure and heat while lubrication is still less effective. This extra stress accelerates wear on seals, clutch materials, and hydraulic components. That's why professional mechanics recommend driving gently until both the engine and transmission reach operating temperature. A few minutes of moderate acceleration each morning can significantly reduce long-term transmission wear and help prevent expensive repairs later in the vehicle's life. Mistake number 3. Believing manufacturer lifetime transmission fluid claims. One of the biggest myths in the automotive world is the phrase lifetime transmission fluid. Many drivers assume it means the fluid never needs replacing, but that's far from reality. Automatic transmission fluid doesn't just lubricate gears, it also cools the transmission, operates the hydraulic system, and protects clutch packs from wear. Over time, heat and friction break down its additives, while microscopic clutch material contaminates the fluid. Once temperatures repeatedly exceed 200 degrees Fahrenheit, then the fluid begins oxidizing much faster and loses its ability to protect expensive internal components. Dirty fluid also allows varnish to build up inside the valve body that causes delayed shifts and slipping. That's why transmission specialists recommend replacing the fluid every 40,000 to 60,000 miles, especially if you drive in traffic, tow heavy loads, or live in hot climates. Spending a couple $100s on preventive maintenance is far cheaper than paying $5,000 or more for a transmission replacement. Mistake number 4. Neutral dropping. Revving your engine in neutral to 3,000 plus RPM and slamming the gear selector into drive generates a dangerous instantaneous torque spike exceeding 300 to 400 pound-feet of rotational shock. Automatic gearboxes consist of complex planetary gear sets, valve bodies, and delicate torque converter turbines that are simply not engineered to absorb sudden impact loads. Slamming into gear causes severe fluid cavitation inside the torque converter while exerting immense mechanical stress directly onto planetary gear teeth. Furthermore, this violent engagement can easily snap input shafts, crack aluminum transmission casings, or shred the flex plate connecting the engine to the transmission. Transmission specialists frequently cite destroyed differential gears and twisted output shafts as direct consequences of drivers attempting drag race launches in ordinary automatic commuter cars. Mistake number 5. Towing or carrying heavy loads without using tow/haul mode. If your vehicle has a tow/haul mode and you never use it while towing or carrying heavy cargo, it means you are putting enormous stress on your automatic transmission. Many drivers think this mode simply makes the engine louder, but it actually changes the transmission's shift strategy to protect internal components. Without tow/haul mode, the transmission constantly hunts between gears that causes the clutch packs to engage and disengage repeatedly while generating excessive heat. According to transmission engineers, towing can increase transmission temperatures by 30 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit compared to normal driving. Once fluid temperatures climb above 220 degrees Fahrenheit, then oxidation accelerates rapidly, that reduces the fluid's protective properties and increases wear on seals, bearings, and clutch packs. Tow/haul mode keeps the transmission in lower gears longer, increases hydraulic pressure, and reduces unnecessary shifting. This helps the transmission to stay cooler. If your vehicle is equipped with this feature, use it whenever towing, climbing long grades, or hauling heavy loads. It can dramatically extend transmission life. Mistake number 6. Mixing or using the incorrect transmission fluid specification. Not all automatic transmission fluids are the same, and using the wrong one can slowly destroy your transmission from the inside out. Modern automatic transmissions are engineered to work with fluids that have very specific friction characteristics, viscosity, and additive packages. Using a universal fluid that doesn't meet your manufacturer's exact specification, or mixing different fluid types, can change how the clutch packs engage and how hydraulic valves operate. The result may include harsh shifting, delayed gear engagement, torque converter shudder, slipping, overheating, and accelerated clutch wear. Transmission rebuilders frequently report that incorrect fluid is one of the leading causes of premature transmission problems after DIY maintenance. Whether your vehicle requires Dexron, Mercon, ATF Plus 4, Toyota WS, Honda DW1, CVT fluid, or another manufacturer-specific fluid, always use the exact specification listed in your owner's manual. Saving a few dollars on the wrong fluid can easily lead to a $4,000 to $8,000 transmission replacement. Mistake number 7. Holding the car with the accelerator on hills. This is one of the most common transmission-killing mistakes that millions of drivers make every single day without even realizing it. When stopped on a hill, many drivers use the accelerator to keep the car from rolling backward instead of holding the brake or relying on the hill start assist system. It may seem harmless because the vehicle is not moving, but inside the transmission, the torque converter is constantly slipping to fight gravity. That generates an enormous amount of heat. And heat is the #1 enemy of any automatic transmission. In fact, transmission experts estimate that every 20 degrees Fahrenheit increase above the normal operating temperature can significantly shorten the life of the transmission fluid. Repeating this habit day after day slowly breaks down the fluid, hardens internal seals, and wears out clutch materials long before they should fail. Because the damage happens gradually, That's why most drivers never realize that this simple habit is silently destroying their transmission. Instead, always hold the vehicle with the brake pedal or let the hill start assist system do its job. It takes only a second, but it can add years to the life of your automatic transmission. That's all for this video. Eliminating these 7 bad habits today can add over 100,000 miles to your automatic transmission's lifespan. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.